Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE finished in black. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre D300 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 22-inch diamond turned with gloss black contrasting alloy wheels. This Range Rover features around 725 litres of usable boot space capacity when measuring to the roofline, allowing room for larger luggage items as well as a pram or even golf clubs. There is also adjustable air suspension to help lift heavier items into the car, and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the semi-aniline leather seats in ebony with the matching ebony interior. There are ISOFIX points located on the seats, and there is also a fold-down armrest which will reveal a storage tray as well as 2 cup holders, and there is also a rear climate control vent for the backseat passengers to utilise, which does contain a USB port and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that same ebony interior with some gloss black highlights on the door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated using the controls on the door as well. Here's a closer look at the 2-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the voice control, and on the right for the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including dial, map and focused. Speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. Then there is also radio with FM and DAB, and using Bluetooth the driver can connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, we can bring up the rear view parking camera as well as the 3D and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Forward of the centre console there is a storage pocket for your phone with a USB-C charging port, and behind the centre console there are 2 cup holders which can be slid back to reveal another storage pocket with more USB ports, and finally the leather wrapped armrest can also be lifted up for more storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved Land Rover Range Rover HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.